Alright, so check this out. We are currently heading to look at possibly another engine and crank and some other miscellaneous small block Chevy stuff, because I posted that other video of me cleaning that engine. And then I started looking at the block and thinking about it, like getting the excitement out of my head and getting to the moments of like, oh, okay, I'm really gonna get to build this thing. And then I realized that that's probably a big old stupid crack in the block. So with that being said, that's why we're on the road. And we're looking at another, it's a 4-bolt main 350. So it should be good. There's some other miscellaneous stuff that I'll be getting with this deal. So yeah, we're on the way. Take 2. There we go. I'll give you guys a better rundown, later, because I gotta head into work, but this is very promising. I looked at it, I actually was kind of calm, and I inspected some things, and I looked at it. I didn't look at the underside of the motor just because it was kind of awkward in itself, and I didn't want to deal with it. But yeah, so we got the motor. It's in the back. I'll give you guys a rundown of all the parts later on tonight when I get back to mi casa. Okay, so we're back. It's been a few days, but we are back. Finally got the Jeep unloaded with the new. So let me explain to you some of my logic on why I got this block. This old block, I'm 98% sure is cracked. I started looking at it, and I put that video out of me cleaning it and whatnot. I did that close-up shot at the beginning of that video of that possible crack, and I had multiple people message me and say, hey, that really looks like a coolant wall crack. I'm a little impatient. I happen to have a couple extra bucks laying around somehow, and instead of dealing with this, which I still want to grind down and look at and try and figure out if it actually is cracked, because there's a similar thing on the other side, but judging by how the paint came off, I'm assuming that is a crack. So I don't know what this block is going to be for me, if it's just going to be scrap or whatever, but doesn't matter, because we got a new block. I found this on Facebook Marketplace. It was labeled as a 377, which I thought was kind of strange, but then I thought about it and I was like, okay, so it's a 383 crank without the overbore. So met up with the guy, nice dude. This came out of a C10 or a K10 rather, 4x4, and I'm stoked because it looks like it's in really good shape. I've said that before. I was being very stupid on that last engine. I was just too excited and I wasn't actually paying attention. But this is a made in Mexico block. The bores look good. The lifter bores, apparently the lifter bores sometimes on these blocks can be a little bit out of whack. But I'm not too worried about it at the moment. So, I mean, but it's got the bevel here. I mean, it's got that, you know, countersink for the cylinder head studs, and for the cylinder head. It's got the countersink for the head bolts. And the guy said he took it out and tore it apart because he thought there was a rod knock. Turned out to be a cracked flex plate, but it was his daily driver at the time. So he was like, I just ordered a blueprint short block, threw it in the truck, got back on the road. I was like, okay, cool. Because it's been up for a couple months, but I'm the person who decided to actually pick it up. So I don't know if that's good or bad, but it's already been clearance for a double roller timing chain, it looks like, which is awesome because that's exactly what I intend to run as a double roller. So yeah, I mean, it looks really good. It's another 4-bolt main. It's a 2-piece rear main seal because it's an older block. I'll get more in detail in the actual casting code probably next time. But yeah, I am beyond excited. This is an actual motor that looks promising, not like one that looks like junk that I'm just, you know, making crap up in my head where I think it looks promising. This motor actually looks good. Like the cast flashing is not bad. That one actually looked like it may have been rounded out a little bit, like smoothed out. Just overall a very promising block. So, this block, the guy said, and I'm still going to double check, but he said, honestly, with a ball hone, you could probably just clean it, ball hone it, clean it, and throw it back together. Fingers crossed that is the case, because I want to get the dang Cutlass in running and driving order as soon as possible, just because I miss driving something like that. I've been daily driving the Jeep, which if you've ever daily driven a Jeep with a 4.0, you know that financially speaking, it's not the brightest idea. Still fun, but you know, not ideal. But rocking and rolling now. We are hopefully, you know, this block will actually work out and I can start throwing this thing together and build my first real engine from the ground up. And then we can start actually assembling the Cutlass and getting that thing ready to rock. Right on, guys. Thank you very much. Thanks for hanging out and watching. Tomorrow, I'm going on a little road trip and I'm going to get a new project vehicle. It is not anything like what I own. I am so excited for this project. It's insane. So while you guys are watching this, I'll be loading up the new project. And I hope you guys are excited because I am like vibrating with excitement for this next build. I'll give you one thing. It was built in 1960 and I have never seen anything like it in person before. Bottom line though, we got a new block for the Cutlass. It actually looks promising. We can actually probably get this thing together in a decent amount of time, given everything kind of lines up accordingly. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I will go more in depth in my plans in the next few videos. I'll be touching back on some other projects here for the next few weeks while I kind of square this up. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that. I'm trying to upload twice a week. I want to get a new laptop and start recording in 4K, so a lot of improvements are coming. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for you know, if you like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. I appreciate all that. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Woo!